Okay, now in this question, the two equations given to us, they are not linear equations. So our first step will be to convert these two equations into linear equation. Now let's see how can it be done. Now our first assumption here will be let 1 upon 3x plus 4y be considered as A. The second substitution will be 1 upon 3x minus 2y be considered as B. Now we will be doing these two substitutions in these two equations. First of all, doing this substitution in the first one. So when substituting in the first one, you will be getting 34a. Doing the substitution in the second term, you will be getting 15b is equal to 5. Now you have converted the first equation in a linear equation with two variables a and b. So we will name it as equation number 1. Now doing the same substitution in the second equation to convert it into a linear equation. So here we have the denominator 3x minus 2y. So we will be doing this substitution in this one. So you will be getting 25b minus, now in this one 3x plus 2y is the denominator. So doing this substitution over here, you will be getting 8.5a is equal to 4.5. Now we have got another equation. This is also a linear equation in two variables, but in this equation you are finding the decimal. So our first step over here will be to remove these decimals. So this will be 25b. This can be written as 85 upon 10a is equal to 45 upon 10. Now when you reduce it, 25b minus, you reduce it by 5, so 17a upon 2. You reduce this by 5, this will be 9 upon 2. Now taking the LCM over here, the LCM will be 2. So you will be getting 50b minus 17a is equal to 9 upon 2. So reducing the denominator to both the sides, so you will be getting 50b minus 17a is equal to 9. Now we will be arranging this equation. First term containing a, so minus 17a plus 50b is equal to 9. So this you have got the second equation. Now you can see first equation was in two variables with a and b. Second equation is also in two variables with a and b. Now we are going to solve these two equations to get value for a and b. So let's solve 1 and 2. Now these two equations can be solved by any of the three methods that you have learned. So here we are going to solve it by elimination, by addition and subtraction. So here this is the first equation, 34a plus 15b is equal to 5. The second equation is minus 17a plus 50b is equal to 9. Now when we are applying elimination by addition or subtraction, we have to make coefficient of one of the variable same, either a or b. Now we will go for a. Now you see in the first equation the coefficient number of a is 34, so you will multiply second equation by 34. In the second equation coefficient number of a is 17, you will multiply the first one by 17. Now if these two numbers can be reduced, so reduce them. So you can see these two numbers can be reduced by 17. 17 one time, 17 two times. So that means first equation will be multiplied by 1 and the second equation will be multiplied by 2. So let's multiply the first one by 1. So you will be getting 34a plus 15b is equal to 5. Second one will be multiplied by 2 minus 34a plus 100b is equal to 18. Now see in these two equations, now you can see in these two equations, coefficient of a are same with opposite sign. So we will be adding these two equations to eliminate a. So here we are doing the addition to eliminate a. So here a will be eliminated. So you will be getting 115b is equal to 23. So from here you can get value of b. So value of b will be 1 upon 5. Now substituting this value of b in any one of the equation, either 1 or 2, and you can get value for a. So let's substitute in 1. So the first one was 34a plus 15b is equal to 5. In this we are substituting value for b, and b is 1 upon 5. So you will be getting 34a. This will reduce it 3 times. So 34a is equal to 2. So a will be 2 by 34, that is 1 by 17. So here we have got value of the two variables a and b, but we need value of x and y. So what we will do now, we will take our substitutions. Our substitution were these two. In these substitution, now you will substitute value for a and b. So let's see. Our first substitution, it was first substitution here was 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to a. This was our first substitution, right? Now we have got value of a as 1 upon 17. So we can write 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to 1 upon 17. So on cross multiplication, you are getting equation in terms of x and y. So this will be your third equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 17. This is our third equation, which is in terms of x and y. Now our second substitution. So let's see what was our second substitution here. Our second substitution was 1 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to b. This was our second substitution. The substituting value of b, 1 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 upon 5. On doing the cross multiplication, you are getting another equation in terms of x and y. So the equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. This is our second equation, fourth equation. So here we have got two more equations, third and fourth. Now these two equations are in x and y. So we are going to solve these two equations. So the third one is fourth one is, now in these two equations you can see variable x and y. So variable x is having the same coefficient number, just with the opposite sign. So what you will do here, you will do the subtraction. That means second equation will be subtracted to eliminate x. So we have eliminated x over here. So we are getting 6y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 upon 6. So value of y comes out 2. Now substituting value of y in equation number 3 of 4. Let's substitute in equation number 4. Value of y, it is 2. So we are getting 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. So 3x is equal to 5 plus 4. So value of x is 3. So finally we have got value for x and y. So this will be our answer. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2.